Everything that we do here at the Moralez Group, we do it at a very high level. And this goes the same for our open houses. At the Moralez Group, we believe in maximum exposure for our sellers. And in order to accomplish that, we have to do things a non-traditional route. I'll give you an example. We put 40, 50, 60, 70, up to 100 open house signs. The purpose behind this is that we want anybody that is in the community, anybody that is driving by the neighborhood, anybody that is considering buying or selling a property, we want to make it virtually impossible for them to miss our open house.